Hello, beautiful people. I want to give you a room tour, stateroom tour of our Carnival Paradise. This is room R185. We are on the Riviera deck. This is deck number 4. Bring you on in. Miles is laying across his bed. This room sleeps 3. We have what they call the, I keep on forgetting the name, Pullman bed. Comes out of the wall. You can have them to leave it up for you, or they can close it when he comes in or she comes to take care of your room. We like to keep it open, this way you can take a nap in the day. Miles is laying across the bed. You know, you can have the bed set up as twins, or they can keep them together as a king. They have upgraded these rooms and put the big screens in here compared to the Royal Caribbean Serenade of the Seas, which is also an older ship where they had to still have the small TVs hooked on to the desk or the vanity area. This is our ocean view room. Nice painting. One thing about the upgrades that we've noticed is they've added more plugs. Here's one over here that was right next to the bed. I was able to charge my iPhone all night. I put it up on the windowsill as like a stand. And you have a little table over here. So if you want to charge something here, you could charge something and put it on this table at night. And what we did notice about this room, they did the upgrade because they added more USBs. So we have 2. We have brought our handy dandy charger with us because some of the cruise lines don't have as many plugs. But we were able, this trip, to enjoy several charging options. So we appreciate that Carnival Paradise for that upgrade. And you have a little stool here. Plenty of room under here to put your luggage or whatever you like to put. This is a good tip for you. Excuse me. Get one of these from the dollar store. These are great to hold, put your shoes in, your slippers. You can put them all down in there to keep your room organized. We pack it when we travel. You will see different websites and blogs that'll tell you about packing magnet hooks. This ship here has plenty of hooks. I was able to hang up my hat, Miles's bag, another bag. So we appreciate that. And here is the mini cooler. And we also have hair dryer. And this is plugged in already for you. So you don't have to worry about plugging anything in. Shelving, and open up. We have several closets. So, this is one. We packed hangers. We always pack extra hangers. Only used a few because they had a lot of hangers in this room. That's closet 1. And here we are. We didn't even use this one. Put some bags in there. Extra bedding. Our life jackets. And over here we like this. This is a shelving system. We use packing cubes. So when we use packing cubes, a lot of times we keep stuff in our cubes until we're ready to use it. Like our swimwear is in cubes. We got clothes up here in cubes. Safe. And these are your Carnival towels. Another shelving over here. And then these 2 shelves down here, 2 drawers, is where we put our socks and stuff at down in here. So you have plenty of space in here. We're only doing a 4-day. If we were doing a 7-day here on the Carnival Paradise, we would still have plenty of room to hang stuff up at. And shelving space if we needed it. So I'm gonna give you all a shot. This is our emergency instructions. And light switches. Another light switch. We do have the older air unit in here. It's not on the wall. Some of the ships have changed it over to the wall. We have this one here up in the ceiling. So overall, this was a nice ocean view room. Spacious. I'm taking you guys back to see how much room. As we bring you the bathroom tour. Sink. Flush as well. Places that hang towels, washcloths, toilet paper, TP. Nice little trash can. They do have signs all around. Make sure you do not throw anything in the toilet except for TP. You have a box of tissues down here. And over here, you have a typical nice size shower. You have someone traveling with mobility, disabilities. They can hold on right here if you have an elderly parent that you're bringing on a cruise for birthday or Mother's Day. Wonderful golden senior. You can bring her here or him and they'll be okay with the shower there. And they do give you shampoo and shower gel. I haven't tried it. I bring my own. And let you guys see that. This is the line for if you want to hang your swim clothes on the line. You can hang anything on the line. This here is how we keep our toiletries. Someone asked me, where did I get this from? This is one of the greatest things. You know, you always say you find the best thing on Amazon. This here is a folding, hanging toiletry bag. So this is our little travel genius here. And it closes up. And it turns into a little bag and it has handles on it. So we like it because we can hang it up, and every time we need to go in to get everything, it's plastic protective. So if anything gets loose in here, cap comes off, won't mess up anything. So I hope you all have enjoyed this room tour. Carnival Paradise, older ship. I think it's over 20 years old, but it's still looking good. Give you a nice look at them beautiful waters out there. Until we trip again, live your best lives. Love one another. Say it loud. Peace.